Hello guys, welcome to our new video. Today we are going to show you another of meter which is newly launched, and this one is called digital surface resistivity meter. We are various meter we have in surface resistivity meter, but till now most of the meter we had was only LED indication light. Today we are going to show you a meter which have a digital screen as well. First of all, the meter comes with a leather case with a nice packing. It prevents it from any type of damage in transportation. As you can see, it's a hard and good packing box. This is our meter. You can see it has a screen and 3 buttons. One button is for LED light and power. Another is for the mode. There is 2 mode in the meter, and this one is for test and hold. Right? It works on 9 volt battery just like the other meters. You can see it has the product box and one grounding cord. Usually the grounding cord doesn't required, only the meter is sufficient to test the instrument, any instrument. The instrument is very useful to check if any product is conductive, antistatic or static dissipative. In the simple language, this meter is used for checking if the product is ESD safe or not. This one is only digital surface resistivity meter, right? It can be used with standalone, but there is also option for props. If you want to use it with props, we also have the props. The prop also comes with a heavy leather case box like this, and it comes with the 2 connecting cords like this and 2 props like this. Now I am going to show you how it works with prop and without prop. Both I am going to show you today. Right? Let's start. To start the meter, you have to press this button, power button, and it will show you. If you press it again, it will show the light, and there is no rating currently. Right? In the corner, you can see the temperature. It's at 24.9 Celsius. Right? Currently, there is no rating, and the battery value also showing if the battery is low or high. Our 9 volt battery. It also show the battery status plus temperature, and then it will also show the rating of any ESD product. How to use? It's a very simple. Just like I have a ESD wheel here. You have to just take the meter, put on the wheel, and just test button. Press the test button like this. Once you press, it will show the value. Even if you remove the product, the value will be hold. You can see the 10.5 here. Right. There is another mode. If you want to show the rating in other, you can press this button. This will show you 910 kilo ohms. Right. You can change the mode here, and then again it will showing 10.5, which is conductive. There is conductive written also, as you can see. So the meter will tell you the temperature, it will show you the battery status, and it will show you if the material is conductive, static dissipative or antistatic. Right? Let's try something else. Also the meter will keep hold what you check last. So if you want to go again to 00, just press the hold button again. This will make it again 00. This will again make it 00. Then again I have a static shielding bag. You have to keep it and again press the button to and hold it, and then you can see it's at 1011 static dissipative. Right. Also I have one ESD mat here. Let's check it from the conductive side. But again you have to press this to make it 00. Once it's 0 0, just you have to put it and again hold it, press and hold. It will show you 10 5, which is conductive. As you can see, the mat is conductive from behind. Again press 0 0. Then let's check it from the front side, right? It's a showing 10 9, also mentioning the static dissipative. So this is how you can use this meter. It's a digital meter, and if you want to use it with props, I am going to show you that also. Only thing you have to do is press it and hold it to make it 0 0, and then again there is 2 cords and 2 props. First you have to put this side, the clipping side, you have to insert in the props like this. The clipping side, when there is a clip, this one will go inside the prop, and make sure the prop you have removed the polythene from the below side of the props. The bottom should be cleaned and removed with polythene or anything else. Just connect like this and place the prop where you want to check it. Like I want to check this meter, and currently it's not on. Oh, sorry. Let's on it now, and I am owning it. Like now you can see it's showing 10 7. Checking with props always gives the better result, right? Even if I remove it now, you can see it clearly. It's showing 10 7. Also you can check it from back side of this. Again you have to put the probe here and here. Then now it says 0 0. Let's put the probe. After you put the probe, it will not show you until you press the button, right? So we have to test and hold button. Now you can see it's showing 10 5. There is a button for mode to change the mode, but we usually in ESD checking we usually 10 5, 10 6, 10 3. Like this we only check. We don't check like this 490 kilo ohms, right? We only check like 10 5, 10 3, 10 4. So this is how this meter works, with and without probe. It has the light option, LED light. You can bright the screen and also you can remove the lighting. It has the temperature option. It has the battery status. Also it mentions if the product is conductive, static, dissipative or antistatic. So this is the most useful meter in our ESD industry. If you need any this meter or anything, if you have any clarification regarding this meter, you can contact me. Thank you for the watching.